life, and I won't look back up.
It's another beautiful day in Capetown, but look at this day. Look how beautiful it is. Unbelievable. I want you guys to take in the sun and also take in the experience with me, because this is not only an experience for me, but this is also an experience for you as well. Follow along, and also remember, you still want to live your life every day, okay? Because you never know how long we're going to be on this earth, and take advantage of every opportunity. All right. This is the main room in which I did not show you guys, but follow me right over here. Now this is where all the magic happens. King size bed. You can't beat that at all. Unbelievable. And look at this. The master bathroom. This big, huge soaking tub right over here. This is where the business really gets done right here. This is where all the business gets handled. All right? And right over here, you have like the walk-in shower. You have his and hers soaking sinks. So just in case you don't have room, you know, you can actually just use your sink right over here. And plus, you have plenty of cabinet space underneath. And yeah, man. So this is the master bedroom. All right. Well, officially at Strand Lopa in South Africa, Capetown. Now that I have all of the test stuff out here, almost finished. This is completely booked. You know, you have to have reservations before you can even come here. So somebody was trying to get in, they couldn't even get in. Oh, we gotta go to the bar. This is the beach bar right over here. Get our drinks. Drink. Life is all about enjoying the best things in life. You know, you live, you learn, then you enjoy.
And then you die.
Then you die. Exactly. That's the reason why you have to live your life the best that you possibly live. Right? You know what LYLE stands for? Living your life every day. That's what LYLE stands for. L-Y-L-E. That's right. Bam. Now you know. All right, you could...
So ja mannen, dames, hier is mijn vriend van Amerika. Ons is op het laatste dagje van onze seafood kostkanade. En ons eindigt af met een lekker soedappie. Hier is mijn vriend van Amerika en ik zeg groeten, lekker dag, lekker nieuwe jaar en een gezonde kerstfeest hoor.
And this ad is brought to you by
Home Loan Solutions.
in the shopping centers. So a mall's a mall to me, you know? It's boring as hell.
That's the same stuff.
Yeah, same shit. So you seen one mall, you seen them all. That's all it is. Right now we're at the VA in the middle of actually Capetown, right? So look at this. Wow, the NBA store here in Capetown. Who would have known? Who would have known?
NBA store.
All right. Let's check out the prices and see exactly if these are bargains. So this is $1,300.
1,300 rand.
1,300 rand. So 1,300 rand. If I do the calculation right, I think it's like $72 to $76. So in US,
Yeah.
of course. So that's not. I mean, it's still probably about the same price.
Yeah.
To go to the US. But all these sneakers, I think they're on sale as well. I wouldn't buy these because these are not my price. Yeah. So we got the Jordans, the Lakers, and then we have right over here 50% off. This is like one of my favorite shirts too. And this is 5,000. Where is it? See the price on this? Is that it? Yep, 5,000 rand. That comes out to about $150 US. But this can actually stay under wrap. So I don't think I'm going to use that one. Brooklyn happens to be one of my favorite teams because I'm actually from New York City. I represent Brooklyn, even though I'm from Manhattan. Overall, this is the more of all of the top NBA players. We have Jason Tatum, Steph Curry, Kevin Durant, the new kid. you gotta earn your stripes. Wembanyama, and you have Joker, LeBron, and Giannis. So all of the NBA superstars. Victor Wembanyama. I'm sorry. Okay. Sorry, Victor. All right. All right. You go out of here. We're done.
Yeah, we're done.
First time I'm trying wasabi mashed potatoes. Let's see how this tastes. Just take that. Texture is really good. It's completely different. It's not bad. I wouldn't order it again, but it's not bad. Alright. This is insane! What do we have here? Calamari. We have chips.
Wait. Move slowly, then it probably work.
Does it follow me?
Yeah.
You want to hear this crunch? Watch. A lot of bones though. Watch this crunch. Oh my god!
No, this comes with it. This is the bag. So this is the hake and fish, and then they give you
Hey,
rolls.
if it's good, my dude.
This is the best.
It's okay. This is crazy.
Okay. So what's up?
So we have calamari. These are chips, and what type of fish?
Hake and snook.
I'm changing who I am. I won't look back ever again.
This is just a snack. This is not even dinner. Look at this. This is crazy. Still, no sightings.
Looking for a good time. He goes, yeah. So JP and I go out.
Unbelievable. At the leather store here in Capetown. Just bought myself a nice leather bag to take home. It's like one of those type of things that you don't want to regret. So the quality of this bag is really good. If you were to get this in the States, it will probably be like twice, if not triple the amount. So yeah, so all this other stuff right here. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna buy anything else. I'm done. That's it. Sorry, Cape Town. You got my money.